Vitamin C. I've had one in my skincare line for over 10 years. Tells you how important it is. Partly because it's easy to use. It's one of the most well-studied skincare ingredients there is. It's well tolerated, so people use it, but it does so much. Of the list, and it goes on, and again, I'm going to look at a study or two with you, but safe for most skin types. Hydration. Mine's more of a cream, just so people know, than a serum. So it does moisturize. The idea is hopefully people don't need moisturizers on top of it. If you do, I'll go through layering in a moment. Brightening. People love the brightening effect of vitamin C, and people overall like bright skin. Reduces redness. Not a lot of people know, but vitamin C can. Reduces hyperpigmentation. Big one. Clear, bright skin, less hyperpigmentation. Reduces the appearance of under eye circle because a lot of times they are from dull skin and brown spots. Promotes collagen production. Collagen and elastin are key to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Helps prevent sagging and protects against sun damage. This is a key one, the sun damage protection. So before people are in the sun, it's something you can do and repair for afterwards. If people say, hey, you know what, I got too much sun, put a vitamin C on. I do that all the time. I think it helps. May soothe sunburns and may help wound healing. And I'll add one on there. A lot of times it helps people with acne. Pretty amazing forte there, right? Let's look at a couple quick studies so you can see that it actually is looked at. For those who really want to geek out and read, here's double-blind half-phase study comparing topical vitamin C as a vehicle for rejuvenation for photo damage. And we come down here and we look at the results. Statistically significant improvement of the vitamin C treated side was seen. Decreased photo aging scores. The eye region, periorbital region, improved bilaterally, indicating improved hydration most likely, and it was very well tolerated. No patient felt the placebo side showed unilateral improvement, meaning the vitamin C actually did do the work. If we look at one more here, this is a topical antioxidant solution containing vitamin C and E, stabilized by ferulic, which is key, provides protection for human skin against damage caused by ultraviolet radiation. And when we look here, results, CEF, CE ferulic, provided significant and meaningful photo protection for skin by all methods of evaluation, by all methods, and understand that sun damage is probably the #1 all-comer source for aging. Concentrations in products range from 10 to 20%. Mine is 20% because it's easier to dilute it down a little bit if it's too much for a person than to make it stronger, of course. So if it's too strong for you, you can dilute it down or just use it less frequently. Now, how do you layer it? Before I go into the ingredients, let's talk about layering. If you cleanse the face, of course, morning and night is best. Get all the makeup off. Apply the vitamin C serum, which is a little more of a moisturizer, as a first step. And if that's your only step in the nighttime, that's fine. In the morning, a lot of people put on the vitamin C, and then if you need an SPF after, you can then add it. How do you integrate other ingredients or other products? Most commonly, my patients are going to either use retinols as an example, and in that case, they're usually used in the nighttime. And if you want them more potent, put the retinol on directly after cleansing, then apply the vitamin C. If you're a little sensitive to retinols, you cleanse the face, you put the vitamin C on, and then the retinol. If incorporating a hyaluronic acid serum, you put the hyaluronic acid serum on after cleansing, always. Then the vitamin C will be your second step, and then your SPF. Now, if you're also on anti-age, growth factors, and I love growth factor products because that's what signals the body to repair. If you're using those, I like them to be, you cleanse. If you're using a hyaluronic acid serum, that's the time, and then anti-age, and then your vitamin C. So the growth factor should be among the first steps. Because mine is a moisturizing and it's well tolerated, it's towards your last steps. And it can be your very last step because it provides enough moisture. As we're going to see from the ingredients, let's look at those now. Okay, so if we look at the ingredients here, we have organic aloe leaf juice is the first one. There's a lot of oils. It's more of a lotion than a pure serum, because I want people to be able to use it without having to put extra moisturizer on, especially those that are even a little bit dry. If you're super dry, you might then need to put the Ultra Moisture on after. But there's rosehip seed oil. You see here, we got vitamin C ester. The ester is going to be a little more stable version than L-ascorbic acid with vitamin E. That's a great combination. Those two work synergistically together. And then you see a lot of fruit extracts, red raspberry fruit, organic blueberry fruit, organic white willow bark extract, organic neem seed oil, organic rosemary leaf extract, organic sunflower seed oil. So you see a lot of organics in there. And the idea again is that it's going to moisturize, it works synergistically, it's available, and that 20% is going to get to where it needs, and you don't have to use a lot of other steps with it. So vitamin C, very, very important product in skincare. It's a staple. Mine's been 10 years in the making and being refined. I hope you enjoy it. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, and vibrant.